What's up, guys? So this here is New Dude 167, and today what I have for you is a really nice video on an error like you see in the background, okay? A lot of different people has been asking me, what is it? How do I fix it? I've got a lot of emails, so it's a really simple fix. It's really easy, really simple, okay? But before I get started, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, okay? Smash that thumbs up button and comment. Let me know what you think about this video and if this has ever happened to you, okay? And if not, just proceed on what you're doing and then finally subscribe, okay? When you do subscribe, hit that little bell icon. That way, anytime I upload a video, it'll go straight to your notifications. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. So, as you could see, whenever you hook up your Fire Stick, some people get this here, okay? It says optimizing system storage and applications, and it says this will take approximately 10 minutes to complete. Okay, guys, so the majority of the time, there's a couple different things on the reason this happens, okay? First off is your power adapter, okay? Your power, okay? Is it the original or the OEM charger, okay? The box, okay? If you're using just a box you got from wherever, you're going to see this a lot, guys. You're going to see that a lot. Okay, another thing, okay? Your cord, okay? Your cord. Is it the default cord? Is it the OEM cord? Is it an old cord? Okay, is it damaged? Okay, make sure you have a good cord as well, okay? And then finally, the power, guys. It depends on the power you're hooking up to, okay? If you have a power strip with like 10 different things on there, that will cause that as well, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and show you what I have, and then I'm going to show you how to fix it, and we're going to go from there, okay? So check it out. Okay, guys, so as you could see, this is my setup here, okay? I have my two boxes in the front. It's kind of weird. I know a lot of people are like, why do you have two boxes hooked up? Okay, I got this big old mess going on back here, but check it out, guys. So I just done this just to show you. I don't use this on my everyday use for my Fire Stick, but I do have a power strip, and this is the cord I'm using, okay? It's just your regular average adapter, guys. It's just a cheap adapter, whatever, okay? And then this cord here is, it's a good cord. It isn't the OEM cord, but you could use the OEM cord if you can, if you have it. If not, it's okay. All right. But first off, you have to use the Amazon adapter, okay? That's the main thing, okay? Another thing, if you have a power strip with all this stuff on here, all these different devices, it's taken away from your one device, okay? So, you don't want to really go into a power strip if you could avoid it, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and hook it up to that. That way, I could show you exactly how it's going to come up, okay? I could guarantee you, I know 100%, once you put your adapter here, okay? We're going to hook your cord up. All right, and it may turn on like that, it may not, okay? It may not. It just depends on how many devices and how powerful them devices are for that power strip. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that. I'm going to put it on the actual wall, okay? I'm putting it on the wall where there's only two outlets there. All right, so let's go ahead and check it out. All right, so as you can see though, guys, let me come to the front of the TV. And I'm doing this with my phone. I usually do it with I usually have all my equipment here, stuff like that. I'm just using my phone tonight. But I just wanted to show you this really, really quick, guys. I've had a lot of people recently, as well as in the past, just ask me a lot of different questions about this. On how do I get rid of it? Why is it even on here? And is my Fire Stick defective? It isn't defective, guys. All right, so as you could see, it came up, okay? That's exactly what it was, guys. It was insufficient power. First off, that's one. Look at all them different, all right, there you go. There you go. But look at all them different power supplies onto one power strip, guys. It's not good for your, it may work, it may not. Some places, some devices will work, some people's it'll work. A lot it won't, okay? A lot it won't. Then you have to have the official, sometimes the generic ones work. They do work, but they don't. It's a hit and miss. But if you have your original, make sure you use your original. And if you could plug it in directly to your outlet, it's even better that way, okay? All right, but anyway though, guys, I just wanted to show you a quick video on this. I'm telling you right now, I get so many different emails, so many different comments about this. It's like, why is it saying this? Is my device broken? I just got it. I mean, a lot of different things. They're like, you know what? I hooked this up. My adapter broke. My power supply broke. I just found one randomly. It ain't working. You know what? It may work. You just have to plug it in. Try to avoid your power strips. But if you have to use it, use it. I mean, it will. It could work. It may work. All right. But anyway, with that being said, I just wanted to show you a really quick video on how to fix it. All right. And with that being said, I'm going to be ending this video. I know it was really short. I know I haven't done a whole lot of videos lately. I have a really nice video coming up. It's a review on a projector as well as a stand and the screen. Really, really nice, top-notch device. All right, with that being said, give this video a thumbs up, okay? Smash that thumbs up button and comment, okay? Let me know what you think about this fix. Have you run into it? Have you not? And if you have, what did you do to fix it? All right, and then finally subscribe. When you do, hit that bell icon. That way, anytime I upload a video, it'll go straight to your notifications. And like usual, if you ever run into any problems whatsoever, all you have to do is just comment in the comment section, and I will definitely get back to you.